All right, so this is just a quick video to show how to shorten the time that it takes for participants to return from their breakout rooms. So if you go to breakout rooms, you have to have created the breakout rooms, right? They're empty because I don't have anyone here with me right now. Anyway, you go into this settings section and you have the set countdown timer. So you can do 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 120. I feel like if you do 15 or 10 seconds, you save a lot of time in your classroom because you spend less time waiting for students. And so what I typically do is send a 1 more minute broadcast message about a minute out from the time, and then the 15 seconds. Close the rooms, takes 15 seconds for everyone to get back. Saves a lot of time in the class.